Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today I want to share with you a few updates that I think are interesting for you as an agency or developer or business owner or you name it. First, I want to share with you our tool, our free tool that is social.tochat.b. You can go here. It's a free tool for you to manage publications in social networks like LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Google My Business, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. And the idea is to help you do it once a week, and you may cover 10, 15 days, maybe a month, maybe a quarter of publications about your brand, about your business in these social platforms. Today, I want to announce that we are a partner of Mono Solutions. We are going to be the widget that they bundle in their product. Mono Solutions is a very popular white label CMS for agencies, Yellow Pages, this type of large agencies who manage, let's say, hundreds, thousands of businesses. And the idea is to work together to help more agencies, business owners, everyone to get a better experience. No, our widget on top of a website like the ones Mono Solutions create is going to generate a better experience for everyone. Mono Solutions is a very, I think, cool platform. Each website is €6 per month. That's the by default pricing. And, I think it's worth considering if you're going to manage, let's say, a large number of websites. Mono Solutions, like Duda, Wix, other platforms, they have an agency scheme where you can manage all your clients inside one platform. And I think that's very interesting for, agencies because, let's say WordPress is not the best platform when you scale. So these platforms are a better solution once you hit, let's say, a certain scale and you need to manage things more professionally, solid, with less errors, with less issues, with updates, etc., etc. So we have this agreement. We are working with Mono. We are very happy. So this is something we want to announce, we want to promote, and we need to do some content for social media. Okay, so step number one, we have something to announce. Okay, step number two, I go to X. I use AI from X because I think it's cool. And what I do is, give me content, create content for LinkedIn to announce this collaboration. Okay, so it's generating 10 posts, different posts about solutions for websites, agencies, etc. So this is something that is fantastic. I'm going to start scheduling this content. I know scheduling content is not easy, and pretty much every solution out there is a paid solution, and I think it's a freaking nightmare. So we did this solution that is 100% free, and you can use it for your content. This publication, as you can see, is with the video, with the content, and is in LinkedIn, and it works as well as any other publication. Don't think this is going to have less reach or have less engagement, anything like that. It's going to work as well as any other publication you do. The solution we use behind this platform is a very solid solution. It's called Mixpost. It's an open source solution. We just, what we did is we install it, we configure it for you, so you can use it for free forever. Okay, so create your account, start working with it, and let me know what you think. We have this partnership with Mono. We have content to publish, and what I want to do is I want to do it once for the next 2-3 weeks. Okay, that's it. So I copy this text, I go to my panel, I can check my calendar to see how already, as you can see, I have done a few posts already scheduled for my profile. Okay, because why you need to publish on social media? Because you want to generate what I think is a top of mind. You want to be out there. So let's schedule the first one for Sunday. I'm going to put here the content. I can use an image, a video, something like that. I have a video here where we explain how to use it. As you know, if you add a video, if you add a link to a video, probably it's going to have less reach. So this is something you need to consider if you want to do it. Another option is to use some images. You can add an image. The image is good. You can add a hash, variables. I think this is a template. I'm not sure about this yet. I need to check how the templates work. And you can use AI to add more content. Okay, that's something you can use AI for this. What I think makes sense is to have some emojis. I think emojis are always fun and good. Okay, yes. So this one looks good. schedule. And this one, let me check. I don't know which date I choose. Yeah, here, April. Sunday, 12:48. That I think is the time now. So it's tomorrow. No, Sunday around this time. Okay, seems fine. Schedule. Okay, done. Okay, so this one is done. So I'm going to do the next following post. So create the next one. I go here, number 2. Yeah, fantastic. I think this makes sense. I mean, obviously you can create images for this. You can create content for that. So this is more. Oops, no, not this one. I want to schedule. Let's do it. Let's say, I mean, this is Sunday the 5th. We can do something like Wednesday the 15th. Yeah, around this time. Okay, and we can do something like news add WhatsApp to Mono Solutions CMS. Okay, that's good. April 15 around this time. Okay, viewing calendar. I'm going to check the calendar. Okay, the 15. Yeah, we have already 2 publications on this date. So let me move this one. I don't know if I can move it from here. I can edit. So let me change this to Monday 13. Okay. Schedule, viewing calendar. Okay, now it's better. Okay, we have one publication for Monday the 13th, another Wednesday the 5th. As you can see, I have different publications for pretty much every single day. I can go here to Saturday. I'm going to add a new one. So we can add, a more specific headline so people can just check, Okay, I think that one looks good. Schedule, viewing calendar, and now we have another one for the 18th. So you can see April is pretty much already done. So I can move to May, and let's do another one here. And this is something you can do, let's say, in a few hours, maybe. I mean, I would say minutes, but let's say hours. And you can have your next 2 months of publications set up. So one tool, a bit of AI, something about your business that makes sense, something that helps your clients be aware of what you are doing, updates, notifications, new features, new pricing, new models, new tools, new anything. And that's something you can just create very fast. I think it's always good to add mention to someone. So let me just find the CEO of the company. He's a very nice guy. So it's Joachim Schulz. Something like that makes sense. Obviously, yes, we can add an image. We can add, we can add anything that makes sense. Let me just remove this because I don't know why it's, the preview is not working, but I think it's going to be okay. So May schedule. Okay. So as you can see, I have a few publications already scheduled. So I have my calendar pretty much looks, I'm going to be active every single day without me, going to the profile, going to the social network, doing it manually. I can set up everything for a month, 2 months, as much as you want, and it's going to be published. So, and this is pretty much automated. I want to show you how to do it with a video because obviously videos make sense for, for this type of interaction. So let me show you. I make this new video. Very simple. So I create content. I go here. I just add media. Okay, this is the video. I'm going to choose insert, and I'm going to make content about this topic. This topic is advice for small businesses. I think I create a second. No, it's not this one. Well, but I think I can use this content. Yeah. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put yeah, something like that makes sense. So the same, this is good. I'm going to pick the time. I'm going to go, I don't know, tomorrow. I don't have anything. So let's put it tomorrow at 1. Yes, pick time. The video is going to be here and schedule. That's it. So the same, I go to the calendar. I can see everything that I have scheduled. So, I mean, you don't need to be every day posting, but I think it's good to post, let's say at least, I would say at least once a week. And I know it's a pain in the ass to, to be publishing, creating content, etc. But now with AI plus our tool, I think it's a matter of, I don't know, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You need to sit down, create the content. I mean, the content, obviously, you need to add as much value as possible. I mean, you need to talk about things you know end to end. I mean, you should not be talking about stuff you don't control, you don't know, but I mean, your business probably is something you know end to end. Probably you are the best one for that. And you should talk about, what you know, pricing, providers, how to do it, how to, maximize, what you can do, etc. So your content, your knowledge, you create the content using AI or something. Then you go here, you schedule, you have a month, 2 months, 3 months, as much as you want, at least once a week. LinkedIn, if you are sharing professional content, makes sense. X for more, let's say, developers, entrepreneurs, news, things like that, makes sense. Instagram, TikTok is more about social content, so B2C brands obviously should go there. YouTube, Google My Business, those are as well important. So you should do it. So choose the social network you want. Our tool is going to help you. You create all the content, and obviously you have our tool to track those leads, to engage with those leads, to keep everyone in sync, and to generate as many leads, sales as possible. Okay. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.